we're often inclined to view what we see reflecting back at us as an inherent truth, as something that was destined to be. But what looks back is not fate, nor is it forever. It's the sum of the steps that you've taken. There is solace in the thought that real and make-believe are separated only by the imagination, that being stuck is a decision and nothing more. Today is not a continuation of yesterday, it's the beginning of tomorrow's masterpiece. And you are not confined, but empowered, because the gate is always unlocked and the sky is always calling. See, the world expands and it contracts with your view of it. If you could just see what you have, if you could just know what you are, the dead ends and failed narratives would fall silent. You are the solution to any problem in your life, capable of picking up yesterday's pieces and rearranging a very different reflection for tomorrow, one that is unstoppable, not a slave to the past, but a light to the future.